Hello everyone, welcome to Accrue Foundation. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about one more property of CSS, that is CSS transition. So let's see. So let me open this file first. So this is our file, you can see. Here I have taken the two division, and inside of two division I have taken two classes. So in the first class I have used this width as a 150 pixel and I have taken the height 50 pixels, and I have given this property as a border radius, so 25 pixels. So it is coming like this. Then the second one, the simple width I have taken just 150 pixel and height of this 50. Okay. So now I want to do the transition effect to the particular element. So for that purpose, so go with this first class. So just first I have to use the class name, okay, or any selector name. Then I have to use the, then what property I want to change. So I want to make the changes on the width. So here I'm using the width something 150 pixel. So when I'm doing this transition, it should change the particular color also. So here I'm using the background color. Uh, Here I have to use the transition. The all, and I have to mention the time also, like I give it 2 seconds. So let's see. It's changing, right? And it's converting into the green color. So same thing you can do with the this box one also. So here just have to mention the box one. So here I'm giving the box one actually is 150. So here I'm giving 200. Let's see. It's changing. So you can do many effects on that. So that's it for today. If you have any question or doubt, you can email us or comment the particular video. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and do like, share our videos. Thank you.